Hello everyone, my name is Rejoice. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tanzanian pilau. This is just a kind of rice with some kind of special spices from Tanzania, but then we are going to use brown rice. So I hope you will enjoy to cook with me, and let's go. I'm going to use a steak, and we will marinate it for some time for it to have more taste. And after it stays for some minutes, so I'm going to use the same pilau masala. This is the mixture of Tanzanian ingredients, including cloves, garlic, black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, which have purely, and it has no any addictive, and it's 100% natural. So this is going to be very nice to make our meat more tasty. So I'm also going to add 1 spoon of soy sauce, and also I will put vinegar. So this is just to make my meat taste more taste, but it is not must. I'm also going to put 1 spoon of cooking oil, and we're going to mix it well. Remember, as I told you, after we are done, we will let it stay in the freezer. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt, so now our marinated meat is ready for making pilau. I'm just going to put a very little amount of water, and we are going to let it boil for a few seconds because the meat is really softy after marinating it. Now it's very soft, so we're just going to make it maybe 10 minutes, then we are going to start making our dish. I'm adding a very little amount of water, and then I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes in a medium heat. Then it will be back. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Then from there, I will add the onions, You know, the secret of pilau is making this onion brown. We don't want it to burn, but we want it to be really brown so that it will bring the color to our rice. And then I'm going to add garlic. This will add taste. Remember, in the masala we also have garlic, but the fresh garlic will add more taste. This is very important stage of making pilau, which will turn it to really brown. But we are also going to use brown rice, so it's probably going to be really nice. Now I'm going to add pilau masala. I'm going to put this 1 spoon, and it's 1 spoon in half kilogram of rice. Now I'm going to add soup. You can actually use vegetables stock or any stock in your kitchen. Remember, we want this onion to really cook well. So I'm going, as we put stock and soup, this makes easier for the onion to. I'm going to add meat. I'm going to use half kilogram of meat and half kilogram of rice. But you can even use quarter of rice with half kilogram of meat. The fact is, meat should be more than twice or more than twice the amount of rice for your pilau to be more nice. Let me test the salt. Now I'm going to add my brown rice. I have washed it. Remember, the brown rice will need more water to cook, so that's why I didn't. I'll just add this one. Now, since our rice is already brown, so the spices and onions will make it more brown. We're going to mix it well. Then we will add water and cover it. Since my rice is half kilogram, I'm going to put 1 liter of water, which is double the normal, it's double the amount of the rice, because this is brown rice and you will need more water to cook. It's more hard than normal white rice. This one is coated, so I'm going to add 3 of them, and the other one, you remember we have used water as we were making the onions. Sometimes I do use normal secret, like using my cooking spoon to test the amount of water. So it's almost half of the cooking spoon, which is okay. Actually, it should not go up. This is like a local way of measuring your water in the rice, but you can also keep looking at it as it continues to cook to see. So now I'm going to cover and let it cook in a medium heat for like 20 minutes, then I'll be back. Okay, let's check our pilau. It is almost ready. As you can see, the rice is well cooked. The pilau is ready now to enjoy. Remember, we have used brown rice, so this is going to be more healthy, and it can even keep you fuller for a long time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, and tell me how did you find this recipe. Thank you so much. See you to the next video.